integrals, exercise 7.3 and question number 3rd. Integrate cos of 2x, cos of 4x and cos of 6x. So at first we solve cos of 2x, 4x, 6x. So we take cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x. And we know that there is no formula of product rule like this. So we first solve it by trigonometric function. So we know that formula of 2 cos A cos B. So we multiply it by 2 and divide by 2. This is cos 2x, cos 4x and this is cos 6x. So we take 2 cos 2x cos 4x and we know that there is a formula 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So we use 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So this is 1 by 2 cos A cos B. So cos A plus B means cos of 2x plus 4x plus cos A minus B. So cos of 2x minus 4x into cos of 6x. So this is 1 by 2. This is cos of 6x plus cos of minus 2x into cos of 6x. Again 1 by 2. This is cos of 6x. Cos minus theta. This is cos theta. So plus cos of 2x multiplied by 6x cos 6x. We multiply it. So 1 by 2 cos 6 into cos 6, that is cos square 6x plus cos 2x into cos 6x. So again we use 2 cos A cos B like this in this part. So for it we multiply and divide by 2. Otherwise we can take cos A cos B is equal to 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. One by 2. So we can use this formula like this. So 1 by 2 cos square 6x plus 1 by 2 cos of A plus B. So cos of 2x plus 6x plus cos of 2x minus 6x. So this is 1 by 2 cos square 6x plus 1 by 2. This is cos of 8x plus cos 2x minus 6x, that is cos minus 4x, and we know that cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So we can write it as cos of minus 4x means 4x and multiply it by 1 by 2. So it becomes 1 by 2 cos square 6x plus 1 by 4 cos of 8x plus cos of 4x. So we simplify cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x as 1 by 2 cos square 6x plus 1 by 4 cos 2x plus cos of 4x. Now we have to take integration, so we use integration sign, that is 1 by 2, we separate it, 1 by 2 cos square 6x dx plus 1 by 4 cos 8x plus cos 4x dx. We again use one another formula, that is cos of 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So for it, cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos of 2 theta by 2. So we can replace the square term by single multiplication term. So we can use, here is theta, so we use 2 theta, here is 6x, so it becomes 12x. This is 1 by 2, and we change cos square 6x as 1 plus cos of 12x by 2 dx plus cos of 8x plus cos of 4x dx. So this is 1 by 2, this is also 2, so we can write it 1 by 4. Integration of 1, that is x. Integration of cos of 12x, that is sine of 12x upon 12. This is integration of this part plus 1 by 4. Integration of cos of 8x, that is sine of 8x upon 8. This is sine of 4x upon 4 plus c. So if you want to, you can arrange this 1 by 4 as a common. So otherwise this is the answer. This is the answer of integration of cos of 2x, cos of 4x and cos of 6x.